Awesome. Totally awesome.
Mit unserem Team das Ding zu bauen, macht richtig Spaß und macht mich ein bisschen stolz.
We are very proud on our brave decision combining Premium Pro and Linear 3 within one line called LUNAR.
So LUNAR is all according to our slogan, the easiest way to the best sound, and stands for simplicity combined with high performance output.
Natürlich ist es LUNAR ein Made in Germany Produkt. Wir sind alle gar stolz, dass es hier in St. Wendel produziert wird. Und einzigartig ist einfach das Design, das Lackierbild. Und das ist einfach für das Produkt LUNAR komplett einzigartig.
What's unique? You don't see it immediately, but I would say it's the DSP on the preamp. It's the most powerful DSP in our portable portfolio. That's the reason why LUNAR performs as it does. More control, more clarity, more sound. It's built in, but you can only experience it when you use the system.
LUNAR are high-output full-range loudspeakers, delivering a warm tonality combined with an excellent resolution. Focused on the essentials, translating into a maximum acoustic performance for the price.
High performance made easy. That's the message that we are sending with LUNAR, and this is what we are convinced the users are looking for. Faster to the great sound, more focus on the performance. That's basically what you get from LUNAR.
Don't buy anything until you experience the new HK Audio portable system, the LUNAR. No need to become a professional sound engineer. You just plug and play and then sounds good.
Get excited, HK Audio is coming for you.
This is going to swipe the market, and I assure you want to have it.
I think the product will set a new standard for the system setup in the audio market.
Wow, that's my first thought. The sleek design looks good, and I really am blown away by the sound as well. It's like buying a BMW for the price of a Volkswagen.
Awesome. Totally awesome. The HK Audio LUNAR, it's mind-boggling because you have that nice tight bass and that crisp coming out, cutting through the mix. But gosh, at that kind of price, that's crazy, man. It's totally crazy. Hold on to your horses. Tie up your seatbelts, because this guy is gonna rock.
Go into the shop, try because it will be like put your feet for the first time on the moon.
All the customers will love it because it's so easy to set up that you don't have to be a sound engineer to make it sound professional.
You don't need to have really great knowledge about audio just to make it sound good, because it's already set up and all the presets are good to play it and have a good result.
If we can speak about the excellent sound and elegant appearance, it makes their life much more easier. I'm looking forward to it. Stay tuned and you will be very surprised and very excited. I have no doubt.
It streamlines the whole range, and it's now pinpointed, and it's easier to understand, it's easier to sell, and it's easier to actually use.
My first thought was that finally some of my questions are answered, because sometimes less is more, and this is the case.
I think that some quite exciting times are coming for HK Audio. Huge increase in sales.
Also, it's a very elegant, modern looking and good sounding combination of the Linear 3 and Premium Pro. Go HK Audio, choose the way to the best sound.
My first thought when I first saw the new series was it is just an amazingly made box. Beautiful finish. The performance is fantastic, and the simplicity to get such high performance is incredible. HK Audio has something to meet that and give you the best that you can possibly get for whatever the application.
My first thought when I saw the new product is that it really just checked all of the boxes. It has the fit and finish, the price, and the performance that the market needs and truly demands. I would sum up the new product in one word as superlative.